Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Adobe Premiere Pro user, you understand how powerful this software can be. But what if you could unlock even more potential with the right plugins? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be counting down the top 10 Adobe Premiere Pro plugins that will elevate your editing skills to the next level. Captioneer. Captioneer is a Premiere Pro extension designed to simplify the process of adding and animating captions in video projects. This tool allows editors to quickly create and apply animated subtitles by using pre-designed motion graphics templates that are easy to modify. The main appeal of Captioneer is its ability to generate caption sequences based on timing data from transcription files. ColorX. ColorX is a powerful color grading tool designed to help you craft visually striking and customized looks for your footage with ease. It allows precise adjustments to hue, saturation, lightness, and density for specific colors, offering a high level of control over your edits. The tool features 5 distinct modes to simplify color manipulation. SwiftSlides. SwiftSlides is an extension for Adobe Premiere Pro that streamlines the process of creating fast and simple slideshows. By automatically adjusting the length of the slideshow to match the duration of your chosen audio, it helps save time when creating presentations, music videos, or any project that involves a sequence of images. Blace. AI face detection and blurring. Blace AI face detection and blurring is a plugin designed for Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro, utilizing artificial intelligence to automatically detect and blur faces in video footage. This tool is especially useful for projects that require privacy protection, such as when editing content that features identifiable individuals. The plugin can detect multiple faces in a scene and apply blurring selectively. It offers customization options, allowing users to control blur intensity, size, and style. Shortcakes. Shortcakes is a versatile extension for Premiere Pro and After Effects that simplifies the creation of split-screen effects. It allows users to divide the screen into a customizable number of segments for each video track, accommodating various clip sizes and sequence settings. This extension also makes it easy to add borders and numbers to the split sections for enhanced customization. Motion presets for Premiere Pro. Motion presets for Premiere Pro are pre-designed effects that streamline the editing process, offering quick solutions to enhance video projects without the need for manual keyframing. These presets include a variety of motion effects, such as zooms, pans, rotations, and transitions, allowing for a drag-and-drop experience that speeds up workflow. AEVIEWER 2 is an advanced media browser plugin for Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro, designed to streamline the workflow of video editors and motion graphic artists. It allows users to preview, apply, and import various project files, such as After Effects projects, motion graphics templates, and Premiere Pro projects directly from the browser without the need to open them separately. This speeds up the process of managing and selecting media. Transitions for Premiere Composer. This collection features over 200 highly popular and versatile transitions, including simulated camera moves, zooms, pans, light leaks, glitches, vibrant shape streaks, and much more. It's everything you need to cut down your 2-hour editing task to just 3 minutes. Easify. Animation easing extension in Premiere Pro. With Easify Pro, you gain access to custom Bezier curves and enhanced control over keyframe interpolation. This makes it easier to create professional-grade animations without having to switch to After Effects. The extension is designed to save you time and improve the quality of motion graphics directly within Premiere Pro. Automotion Tracker. Automatic motion tracking of masks has been a built-in feature of Adobe Premiere Pro for a long time. However, it was previously not possible to attach elements like a motion graphics layer to it so that they would follow the movement of objects in the shot. With this new extension, you can now convert the keyframes from the mask path into keyframes for position, scale, or rotation within a transform effect. This update allows for automatic motion tracking for text, images, or any other elements, without the need to use After Effects.